What does a map, a GPS, or a phone have to do with SMART goals? Well, you may have heard that a goal without a plan is only a wish or a dream. Are you wondering what you need to do after setting SMART goals? Hi guys, I'm Dr. Elias Moitinho with Motivation and Growth. In this channel, I will motivate you with tips and life skills to help you grow in your life. In this video, I will teach you how to develop a safe plan to reach your SMART goals. I believe that SMART goals plus safe plan equals your success. You may want to see my video on SMART goals in this channel. So what is a safe plan? Well, I created this acronym S.A.F.E, S-A-F-E, based on my counseling work experience, and I want to share it with you. Well, you have this big banner that is your SMART goal. That is your final destination. Now, how do you make it into a reality? How do you reach your goals? Well, you need a plan. That's where a map, that's where a GPS, or even nowadays we have GPS in the phones. That's when they come into play. You need a plan. So this safe plan includes short-term objectives, action steps, faith-building practices, and evaluation of progress. So let's dive in. Well, short-term objectives are smaller goals that lead toward the bigger goal that you have. And counselors use short-term objectives when they are developing treatment plans for clients. So there is a goal, but then you need steps that will lead you towards that goal. For example, the SMART goal is your destination. Short-term objectives are stops along the way. Much like when you plan a trip, you have the final place where you want to go. And if you book a flight, you may have connecting flights, places where you stop to get to your final destination. Another example, let's say if your SMART goal is to start a business. And then you have the time frame when you want to start the business. You will need short-term objectives. For example, you will need to determine what product or services you will provide. You will need to define your audience or who your customers will be. You need to get all the legal paperwork in place. You need to develop a business plan, set up a schedule to launch, develop a marketing plan. Well, how do I know all of that? Well, my wife just started a small business a year ago or so. So I know it takes a lot to reach a goal. Therefore, you need the short-term objectives. Now that you have your short-term objectives, you think in terms of action steps that will go under each short-term objective. And each short-term objective may require more action steps. For example, going back to the business, setting a business example, you will need to register your business with the city and the county. You will need to open a bank account. These action steps are under the short-term objective of getting the legal part of the business established. Okay? So again, big goal, SMART goal, then you have the short-term objectives, then you develop action steps for each short-term objective. And then I add faith-building practices, because as you take each step towards the goal, you will have challenges. You need to anticipate challenges. You need to develop an awareness of potential challenges that will take place. And I believe that's when our faith takes place there. E stands for evaluate your progress. As you are moving towards your goal, you need to take time to evaluate how you are doing. And unfortunately, a lot of people neglect this very important part. Evaluation allows you to know how fast or how slow you're moving. Are you reaching the target dates? How do you know you're moving in the right direction? How do you know you're gaining traction if you are not evaluating your progress? In counseling, counselors keep track of how clients are making progress or having setbacks. That's evaluation. And in the evaluation process, you will need feedback from other people. It might be feedback from your clients or customers, or it might be feedback from family and close friends, people who know you, know your goals, know your target dates, and they know the steps that you are going to take. They can provide you valuable, priceless feedback of how you are doing, how they are seeing things in you, observing you. So in this video, develop a safe plan. You will reach your SMART goals. I believe you can do that. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, click the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.